Hey guys, I'm in Gatineau Park once again on my way to the Carbide Willson ruins. I'm on trail number 36. So I've never been in the summer. Apparently we can swim in the waterfalls. In the park you'll find Meech Lake, and it's a great place to swim and to paddleboard. And excuse the sweaty mess, it's 34 degrees today. So these will be the perfect addition to my pine tree soaps. A little bit of a hiccup. I was almost there. I was at the bridge that splits Meech Lake in two, and in my head it felt like I was way too far past where the turn is for the ruins. So I turned back trying to find the other trail. Didn't find it, of course. Went all the way back to the parking lot, spoke to an NCC officer, and he was like, oh no, you were almost there, right after the bridge, maybe 300 meters. So now I'm making my way back. Take two. So once you cross that bridge, keep going. So here it is, guys, the sign we were looking for right over here. So it took me 1.3 Ks to get from the parking lot to here. And from here, I'll have to take the trail behind me, and it should be another 500 meters. So 1.8 total. So please let me know in the comments below if you like these type of vlogs, if you'd rather have me say nothing. Like, do you want videos that are just showing B-roll, or you'd rather have vlogs like this one? Let me know. So most of the trail is in pretty good shape. Here it's a little bit rougher, but anyone could make it here. A few hills, which are not too steep, so yeah, pretty much for everyone, kids, families. So like I said, 1.8K to come here, so less than 4K for each way. So not too bad. This place, you guys, it's gorgeous. I'm gonna talk to you here a bit because it's gonna get loud with the waterfall streaming, but yeah, so like I said, I've been here in the winter, never in the summer. I like to have a little dip in the water. That's the plan. So yeah, I'll just show you some B-roll and I'll shut up here. On a side note, if you do enjoy mountain biking, the park has some great trails for you to try.